Hello everyone, Здравствуйте. I'm Rashmi, and as you must be knowing that today is the first Russian class of this week. So let's begin. So today's topic is family. Family is called as semya in Russian. Semya, 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 semya is to say family. Okay. So number one, how do we say mother informally? Okay, mother informally is mama. Mama, the stress sign is on the first a. Okay, mama. Now how do we say father? Father in informal way is papa. Papa. This is how do we write the caps p and the small p. The writing part is a bit difficult in Russian, writing plus speaking also, not in these words. The speaking part is not that tricky, but writing part is. So that's why I thought to introduce you just the informal version of mother and father. Formal part I'll introduce it later because the consonants and I have to introduce those also. So right now, just the informal version of mother and father, that is mama and papa. This is how we write in Russian. Okay. Now, how do we say brother? Brother is brat. 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 Brat is brother. Okay. Brat. Now, how do we say sister? Sister is sistra. 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 Sistra is to say sister. Now, how do we say son? Son is seen. Seen. Okay. This is how we write. This is seen. Okay. You have to practice the consonants, the writing part, because this is tricky in Russian. Spanish is writing part is easy, speaking part is sometimes tricky, but Russian writing plus speaking both are a bit tricky, bit difficult, you can say. Okay, so moving on to the next part. Now, how do we say daughter? Daughter is doch. 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 Okay. This is how we write. Now, grandmother. Grandmother is babushka. Babushka. Shka. Shka. Babushka. Babushka is to say grandmother. Now, how do we say grandfather? Grandfather is dedushka. 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 In babushka, this is how we write the caps B and the small b, and dedushka, the caps and the small d. Okay. This is dedushka, this is babushka. Dedushka for grandmother, babushka for grandmother, and dedushka is for grandfather. Okay. Now, moving on to friends part. Now, how do we say male friend? A male friend is called drug. 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 Drug is male friend. Okay. Now, how do we say female friend? Female friend is padruka. Padruka. Padruga. 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 Padruga is to say female friend. Now, these stress sign, where are they? On the first a, or where there are, you need to memorize that also, because like in this word, the stress sign is not on o. So if it would have been on o, so the word would be like podruga, but now the stress sign is on u. So this is padruga. Padruga, not podruga. Padruga. Okay. Padruka. So you have to memorize these stress signs also, because speaking part is very important, right? So for that speaking part, you need to memorize not just the consonants, how they are made, the letters and all that, but also where the stress sign is, because the stress sign tells you where you have to put a little stress in your pronunciation, like babushka. That is babushka, not babushka. Okay, so you need to memorize for the sake of your conversation, speaking part, I mean the pronunciation part. So okay, then meet you in the next class. So till then, memorize this, and das vidania, idab streti. See you. Bye bye.